What's happening, everybody? Happy Monday. Went to that same place I got that $200 winner on the Double the Luck and decided to get two more tickets, 24 and 25. Let's go ahead and start with ticket number 24. As you guys know, you can bonus match your number, win 200 right off the bat. Match a number there, you win double whatever winnings you get. Down here in the play area is a match and win or a 5, 10, or 20 times symbol. Let's go ahead and look for symbols. I've been playing this game for a while before I started making videos, and I've only been able to find the multiplier one time, and it was a 5x. So maybe, with any luck, today we might find another one. Last row, see if we can't find a multiplier down here. Doesn't look like it. All right. See what our numbers are. 40. No. 11. Nope. 56. 27. No. 29. 6. No. 9. Hey, look at that. We got a winner. Number 9 right there. All right. Now, before we do the last number, let's see what the bonuses are. 61 and 54. Last spot, 25. So we didn't get any of the bonuses, but let's see if we can match another number. Nope, no 25. Looks like just matching 9s for a $30 win. All right. Sorry about that. All right, ticket number 25. Same thing. Let's look for a multiplier. It'd be cool if we can go back to back on these. These are the same tickets. It's the same pack that I had that $200 winner on the other day. I went back today, and that was Friday, I believe. Last week I went in, and nobody's touched any of these. So I decided to get 2 today and see if we can't make anything happen. Well, no multipliers on this one as well. We'll do the bonus numbers first. 4 and 12. All right. Our number is 59. Nope. 52. 40. Now 34. 19. Now 35. 27. 'Last spot. 38. We didn't match any of the bonus numbers. We're looking for 38. We got 37 and 39. Does not look like this one is a winner. Thank you guys so much for stopping by the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.